Marna, and this is a Dolls Rescue channel. I teamed up with Peace Craft Dolls with Tammy Powley, link below, and we are doing a collab challenge contest, CCC. And what we're doing, let me explain, is today we're asking anyone in the doll community that would like to upload their own videos showing their Maleficent dolls they have gotten ready to look like Maleficent or are Maleficent or just dressed in a Maleficent print outfit or anything else they can come up with. We'd like to see your videos. Tammy and I, however, have been busy working on our Maleficents as a contest against one another that we would like for you to judge. You get to judge us. If you would score us 1 through 10 in the comments below after seeing both of our videos showing our Maleficent dolls, setups, whatever else we add to it, we would really appreciate that. We will have the count on that. I believe it's the 21st. Let me look at the calendar over here. Yes. On the 21st of November, we're going to give you the tally of who won the contest. And really, it's just for fun. Tammy and I just push each other, and boy, did we push one another this time. This dress was not easy. I'm telling you, it was quite the challenge. The sleeves around the fingers was, I didn't know which direction to go with that. I was not able to cut it at a V, but I was able to angle it at a V. My collar was a challenge, but thank goodness for Darren, because I don't have art talent, but he does. Not only did he make the little horn headband for the Neo Blythe, he had made this one. Is that straight? Mm-hmm. When I first started talking about the Maleficent challenge, he made this. That's actually on Thingiverse for a human being, and he scaled that down for a mini Blythe. You do remember how long that took to?
That took about 3.5 hours to print.
Okay. When we made wings, I don't know if you saw my video where I did a miniature Blythe like an angel for the last Tammy Powley word collaboration that she does once a month, or challenge. Darren not only designed them, if you see the little bat claw coming out the end like back wings, these wings took how long? 8 hours to print. Yep. And I said, no. I did not need them in the Neo size, the large size Blythe. We could just do a little one also. Both of these dresses I sewed by hand. It is that stretch velvet. It's not too hard to work with. It's pretty forgiving, actually, and I like that. Okay, I want to show you a couple of details on my doll. This collar was the hardest part. That's all done by hand. It wasn't hard making the collar. It took time. I did it by hand. The collar has front and back. I was going to cut her sleeves at a V, but this fabric kind of rolls. And I couldn't, so I just did it like the best I could. Her name, this is the face-up that I did for her. I rather like it. I really think she looks like Wednesday Addams at 22. And I named her Allison because I have a really pretty friend that she kind of reminds me of and who really likes Wednesday Addams. So I named her that. But here are her eyes. I did do a custom on the eyes. I didn't put anything on there on the lids because I could not decide what to put. Let's see, did I pull that tight enough? I did. Maleficent and Wednesday Addams, I believe Wednesday, have blue eyes. I don't know, she might have brown eyes. And then there's the pink, and then here are the custom that I like best on this doll. I like those a lot. I did her in the fall, so I put a pine cone and the charm of 2021. Show you the back of her dress. It is longer than the, is my arm in the way? Mm-hmm. Yeah, of course. Can't get it pulled. Here we go. Oh, I'm pulling the front as I pull. It's longer in the back than the front. Why don't I hold her up and show it before I set her down? Here we go. There we go. And it's made like the Maleficent in the movie actually had more than one outfit. 2 for sure, well, 3 for sure. And if you look close enough, I'm not so sure there weren't 5 different outfits that she wore in the movie. When I did her face up, you'll notice that this skull is actually Skunk, the doll I call Skunk from Cruella. We took her hair off and put this cap on, and of course changed her clothes out and added the wings. This girl, let me think. I think I took her face up off the cheeks that I wanted to make look like the true Maleficent, and redid them, I think 4 times. I had to respray her face with Mr. Super Clear because I had erased it off so many times. And I just finally gave up. It looked like sideburns or dirt or a 5 o'clock shadow. And I did not like it with her face being so round. Trying to shadow, it just didn't work out. So what I did is I just took some of the pinkness away with a little light color of gray chalk. I'm pleased with it. I'll say, I think she looks like Wednesday Addams at 22. I hope you'll score me high. I worked hard to do this. But I would be thrilled if you just left a 1. A 1 is better than not scoring at all. Thank you for watching. Tammy, thank you. I really learned a lot doing this one. Gosh, we have some harder challenges coming up. But first, in December, we have Cindy Lou Who coming up that we will once again do the CCC collab for Tammy and I, contest between us, and the challenge that we offer to you to dress a doll or show us your Cindy Lou Who dolls. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, a score, and subscribe.